Mommy, nobody should touch my celery today. Oh. Yesterday somebody steal am, I no talk. But today, I go shout. Who dey chop my food like thief in the night? Better confess now before I call grandma. Ah! Evidence don't show.
It's not what you think.
You dey chop my Cerelac without license? Contempt of court. Bring back my Cerelac, offender of the nation.
My people, abeg, who dey chop dis children cereal without permission? Oya, make una bring am back immediately. I know that you love watching hilarious skits like this children comedy. I know you love it. So today I'm going to show you step by step on how to generate skits like this that make you go viral. I know skits like this always go viral. So I will show you how to do it. Oya, gather your biro, gather your pencil, and let's dive in. But before that, who am I?
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop, step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
With just 2 easy steps, you are done with this creation. The step 1 is your prompt using ChatGPT, and the second one is the video generation. And we are going to use MindVideo generation to do it. Let's hop in. Okay, so over here now in our ChatGPT, look at what I actually to this give me. I said, give me a Nigerian comedy style viral video of funny baby talking, including on the video a scene setting, action from 0 to 15 seconds, AI visual prompt, camera movement, main character, that's the baby, key features including the baby's look and wears, etc. A ready copy and paste prompt for MindVideo AI of 2 scenes in 15 seconds each. So let's send it and see what ChatGPT will give to us. And immediately look at it. They are running it down. Look at what they generated for us. Let's look at it. GPT has given us the prompt that we are looking for. Look at it. The first thing they say, baby morning warning. You see, look at it. They say a 1-year-old country baby. They just describe the baby. This is the baby character. This is the description of the baby here. So look at the scene. You see, camera moves. So let's copy this. All these scenes now from the whole scene 1. Look at the visual prompt that I requested, okay? So let's copy this scene here and move over to where we'll generate it and turn it into a video. You can see this is just a script, just one line, and it will automatically turn to video. So let's move over to MindVideo to do this. First of all, let's highlight it. Quickly select this video. We'll select from the scene. We'll move every one of the scene here. We'll pack everything, including the camera movement. Put everything, including the visual. And this is the end. This scene 2. We don't need scene 2 for now. So you copy it. The next thing we'll do is to move over to where we'll join it together in a WordPad where we'll arrange it. Then let's open our WordPad. So now over here in our WordPad, we'll paste it. You can use any of your editing app that you wish to use, but for me, I like using my WordPad because I'm not using a phone. I'm not using a laptop. Sorry, I'm using my phone. So I don't need to arrange all these things this way. I'm not editing anything. Remember, I'm not editing anything. I'm just trying to remove excess space that is not needed. Okay, look at all this. The action is here. We just have to arrange all of this. So now over here in the baby description, you can notice that they did not specify either is a baby girl or a baby boy. So if you do it like this, they might generate the one they want, and on the second scene, the baby might change. So let's specify the Nigerian baby, a Nigerian baby girl. Let's use a baby girl. Okay, this is better because we have specified what we need here. All right. So now we are moving all of this. We'll highlight everything, select all, copy. So we'll move over to MindVideo to generate. So here is the MindVideo. The MindVideo website is there in our description box. Go to description box, you pick the MindVideo website, and you come over here. So over here now, you touch this line and go to text to video. We are moving because we are using a text to video to do this generation now. So over here in text to video, this is where you drop in your prompt. Remind you have 4 free creation to use in MindVideo every day, and all are 15 seconds each. So for here you can choose your aspect ratio, either 15:16 or 16:9. So what I'm choosing now is 16:9 because since it's a tutorial. But first of all, I have to drop in my prompt. I paste my prompt here. That prompt will copy it. Okay, so I paste my prompt. Now I come to, instead of using 99:16 for portrait, which is what I'm supposed to use, but I have to use 16:9 because it's a tutorial, so that I'll be able to show you. So the next thing we'll do, you can see the video length is showing 15 seconds. So this MindVideo is going to generate this tutorial in 15 seconds, this particular video now. So we hit generate. So over here, it's generating. Touch on this green line here and see your video is generated. You can see it generated. We're back after the generation. All right, our video is ready. Let's look at it and see what happened to the video.
Mommy, nobody should touch my cell today. Oh. Yesterday somebody steal and I not talk. But today, I go shout. Who dey chop my food like thief in the night? Better confess now before I call grandma. Mommy, nobody should touch.
Can you see that? Look at how you just with a test, just a one line of a test, and everything is out. Can you imagine that? So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this thing, if you try out this hilarious comedy content today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please share it and let others know as you are learning. See you at the next one. Bye for now.